Hi there! Today I want to show you that Google has suspended this account due to a misrepresentation issue and has disapproved 10,000 products. This is really sad. Then I fixed everything in 12 hours. Google support, I have a known agent. I talked to him and clicked the review button. Mail arrives 2 days later that my account has been reactivated and 10,000 products have been approved.
Hello, I want to give a review after working with Arafhat. After a long time, I have a problem with my Google merchant account, and now my account active again. Look at this at my account. Okay. Honestly, if you struggle with your Google merchant account, you have to work with him. Whatever the issue on your Google merchant account, he will be fixed for you. I'm glad to know him. Thank you.
Bonjour, voilà, c'est pour vous dire que j'ai travaillé avec Arafhat. Il m'a bien débloqué mes deux GMC. J'avais deux stores, un aux US et un français qui était bloqué il y a une semaine. Et grâce à ses compétences, Arafhat a pu débloquer mes GMC. Voilà, merci Arafhat.